Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to your science class. Students, here also we will practice very short type answers for the question. Right? So, very short answers, that means you have to write answer in one or two words. So, read out the question and give the answer. Question number 1. What is hard and strong stem of a tree called? The question is, what is hard and strong stem of a tree called? Answer, trunk. The answer is trunk. Number 2. Name a tree which can live for about 100 years. Read the question again. Name a tree which can live for about 100 years. Answer, banyan. Banyan tree. Okay. Number 3. Which plants live for few years? Which plant live for few years? What type of plant it is? Write down. That is shrub. That is shrub. Answer will be shrub. Number 4. Give an example of shrub. Any example you can give. Here I have written cotton plant. Okay. Number 5. Which plants live for few months? What type of plant? Herbs. Answer is herbs. Give an example of a herb. Answer, mint. M-I-N-T, mint. Okay. I like mint, so I have written mint. You can write coriander, you can write tomato. Okay. Now 7. Which plants need support to stand? The question is, which plants need support to stand? Answer, climber. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S, climbers. Question number 8. Give an example of a climber. Any example? Here I have written pea plant. Okay. Number 9. Which plants grow along the ground? Which plant grow along the ground? Answer, creepers. Okay, the answer is creepers. Learn the spellings also. What is the spelling of creepers? C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. Creepers. Number 10. Give an example of a creeper. That is watermelon. Bottle gourd you can write. Okay. And another one is pumpkin. You can write pumpkin also. 11. Which part carries water and food to all parts of a plant? I am repeating. Which part carries water and food to all parts of a plant? The answer is stem. S-T-E-M, stem. 12. Which part of a plant takes up water from the soil? Which part of a plant takes up water from the soil? Which part of the plant it is? Roots. Okay, R-O-O-T-S, roots. Question number 13. Which part of a plant makes food? That is also called kitchen of the plant. Leaf. The answer is leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. 14. Which part of a plant contains seed? Which part of a plant contains seeds? Answer, fruit. Okay. Question number 15. Which part of a plant grows in flower? It's converted to flower. Which part of a plant grows in flower? The answer is bud. B-U-D. Bud. Okay. So I have given 15 questions for the very short. You have to write very short answers. So students, please write down in your copy. All this what we are doing is revision. Okay. This is all our revision. We have completed all this previous. So those who have not written yet, they will complete this all, because important, this all are important. So students, complete the classwork and memorize it. That is homework. Today only. Today you have to complete. Okay. So the class ends here. Read it again and again. Good day.